Hi everyone, welcome back to Computer Class with Learning Academy, where we learn all about the basics that we are learning about computers. And we are following our school book. So if you have the book, please turn to chapter 7. It's called More About the Computer. And today we will learn all about the desktop, what files and folders and programs are, and all the many things that we can do on a computer. So I'm going to share my screen so that you can see how a desktop looks like. So this is usually blue in color, but I have a photo here. Now you can see these ones are called folders. This is a folder, for example, this is a music folder, and these are other folders. You understand that they are folders because of the way they look. We will also look at programs. Now, what are programs? They are all of these icons, right? They all perform a function in the computer. And we will learn more about programs in the next few chapters. But today, let's explore what a folder has. So to open a folder, let's go back. You take your mouse to the folder and you double click on the left button of your mouse. That will open up your folder like this. Now you can see inside the folder, we have many other folders. We also have a file. And you see the difference in the icon of the folder and the file? This is a Word file. And when you hover over it, you see all the names of when it was created. So let's open that up and see what that looks like. It's a phonetics file. So in this page, you can see this is the top ribbon. Now, since this is a Word program, it looks like this. But some things are very common among all programs. For example, this button. This dash in any file is called a minimize button. This one is the restore, and this is the close. Now, if I press this one, click on this one, it will close my file. Shall we try it? You see, it's gone. Let's reopen it and explore the other functions. So, like I said, this one is a restore button. If we click it, it's a minimize. It has made my screen very small. This, when it's in the full square form, is the maximize button. And if we click it, the screen goes back to large. When we minimize it, you will also be able to see something very important, which is the scroll bar right here. Do you see when I pull it down, the screen goes up? And when I pull it up, the screen goes down. This is called the scroll bar. This appears in two different places on the file, on this side and at the bottom. And you can move it by moving your mouse from left to right or from top to bottom. The other function in this that you need to pay attention to is this button right up here. This is called the save button. Whenever you do any work on the computer, remember to save it, and then the work will be saved. So you won't lose the information that you just typed out. Okay, so let's close this, and we are going to look at this window that's open. In this window, you can see this ribbon right here, right? The stop ribbon. This shows us different things. It shows us where to find things, how to create a new folder. And again, these are the parts of the window. This is important to remember. This is the minimize, restore down, and close. Wonderful. Okay, the other thing now, important as part of the desktop. We are going to close this folder and go back to the main page, which is the desktop. Now, in my desktop, you will see in the left-hand corner right here, this is the start button. This is the start menu. It's shaped like 4 windows, right? It has 4 boxes and shaped like a window. If I click it, it opens the start page. But that's how the start button works. So in a computer, how do you shut it down? You go to your start button and then you click on the power button that tells you to turn a computer off. Now we will learn a lot We will learn a lot more about computer and what the different programs that we explored today over the next few weeks. But this is just an intro. So look forward to all the worksheets that we send so that you can get more familiar with this chapter. See you next time.